Hey guys, today we are here at the Robotics Fest Robovanza 2024 organized by CBIT. A lot is happening today: Robo Watch, Robo Rover, Robo Sumo, Robo Soccer. Looks like there's a lot of fun in the air. Let's take a look.
Hey, this is Kanagavi Ujjwal. Great inputs on how to study abroad. So I would recommend all of you guys to once check out Uniplus.
I'd also like to thank Uniplus for sponsoring this event, and I'd love to see them again.
Our vision is to make young and educational, talented people make informed and calculated decisions about their abroad educational plan. With Uniplus, many have already made their abroad education plan a reality. Yours is the time now.